Okay. Pull it down. Ahora man metal no. Metal dem there.
One of the ways we can reward them for remaining calm, and it's also a really great way for us as trainers to strengthen our relationships with the whales. Now, blood samples are just one way we can ensure that our whales are staying healthy. Another important diagnostic is weighing our whales. Now, we're able to weigh our whales by asking them to slide their bodies onto a giant killer whale-sized scale we have located in one of our adjacent environments. Drew is going to be demonstrating that here in our slide-out area. He's our largest killer whale at over 8,000 pounds. Now, you'll notice when he gets started to get an accurate weight on a whale like Drew, we simply ask him to lift his tail all the way up and out of the water. Just like that. Training this posture enables us to ensure accuracy. So we know that our younger whales are growing properly and that the older whales are maintaining a healthy weight.
And the care isn't just physical. Mental stimulation and play are vital, and we surprise and engage with our whales at every opportunity. Play is how killer whales teach their young to hunt. And for the adults, play is important too. It seems that they just enjoy having fun. Making time for play is an important part of life for killer whales and for us.
So we just learned that killer whales love to play. They actually learn a lot by playing, and they can learn through mimicry and not yet. We're going to lift our right arm all the way up to the sky. Nick, tell me when you're ready. All right, right arm up to the sky. Let's see if he's watching you. All right, now on the count of 3, slap your side. 1, 2, 3. Wow! That was amazing. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. As you can see, Drew was paying very close attention to you. Killer whales are very curious animals. During that behavior we call a bow. It's going to be right at center stage. Give them a cheer. All right, right side, it's your turn. Everybody on the right side, on your feet. We got an even bigger jump plan. It is called a back reach. You're going to take your hand out to your side, slap your thigh, and up to the sky. All right, we're watching Kylie. We're watching Mikayo. Ready, set, go. Awesome breach signal, everyone. Now, killer whales will breach for a variety of reasons. Sometimes it's distraction, stun their prey, or show off. But more often than not, it's to announce to everyone that they have arrived. So here comes Mikayo showing off. And that's why we call it the soak zone. Let's give it up for our killer whales. Through Mikayo.
Off the coast of South America, killer whales will teach themselves, riding in on waves just long enough to catch prey. They'll also create waves that knock animals like penguins or seals from icebergs.
lines, where are they found?
Oh, of course, Mr. Director, sir. Sea lions, where are they found? Oh, where are they found? Do you have something to say, Clyde? Really? Here at SeaWorld? That is so cool! Alright, here's the thing is I think we're supposed to find some sea lions together, and I have this brilliant idea where me and you need to stick together. So just follow me and stay very close. Behind.
It was a little unconventional, but fun.
Did you hear that? They were fun!
You each clearly have your own style, but now I need you to work together to demonstrate the strength and agility of the California sea lion. Do you think you can do that? Together?
You really have a sea lion, so why don't Clyde and I start, okay? Alright, I think sea lions and Seymour here at their our pectoral muscles that they can use to launch themselves up and out of the water. Seymour? Alright, let's go. Very good, my friend. Now they still have those very powerful pectoral muscles, but they can use to swim up to 13 miles an hour with short bursts of up to 20 miles an hour. Seymour, show me just how fast you can swim. And that was Seymour perfectly demonstrating California sea lions, strength, and agility. Oh, Valerie, hi. You two are up next. Hey, buddy, we really should have live streamed that because that was amazing. Wasn't that? Oh, that was so cool. All right, it's time for you to show off your strength and agility. That was really cute. But here's the thing is I really want you to show off how fast you can swim. What do you call that? Freestyle? Get it up for Clyde!
Wow, that segment actually worked. But I'm not 100% sure why. I think we need a break so I can figure it out. Take 5, everyone. I could use a soda.
Sorry about that. Giraffe, I'm on TikTok again. Oh, you guys watched that? I had to burn that. I'm so sorry.
All right. I think we may have found a way for you two to work together. But this next scene will be the real test. It's the conservation scene. Seymour, you're up first. Make an impact.
Oh, this is my favorite part of the entire presentation. You know, I believe that children truly are our future, and conservation requires that we inspire the next generation. gonna come right here. You're gonna stand right here, so put your hand on this liver. Don't worry about these 36 because you're gonna come, right? All right, guys, on the count of 3, everybody say cheese. 1, 2, 3. Guys, give it up for our brave volunteer and Seymour, she's awesome. Definitely harder to train you. All right, Clyde, now let's see what you got. Don't be nervous. It's time for our inspirational, motivational, conservational moment. You see, we need someone a lot taller, good looking, good sense of fashion, of course. Huh? Yeah. Never mind. Conservative. Come on now. Yeah, you. Hey. Hi. What's your name? Daniel? Where are you from? All the way from Brazil. Daniel, did you know that conservation means working together to ensure the survival of animals like Clyde and Seymour by respecting and protecting their wild spaces? Awesome. I'm gonna have you work with Clyde. Does that sound good with you? All right, so come on over here. I want you to face Clyde. You guys are in this together, so I'm gonna give you some cues. You're gonna do some. He's gonna do some amazing things. You guys ready? All right, lock eyes. We're in this together.
Dorian, stop.
Slide to your left. Slide your left. Slide to your right. You know what? Try taking it out. No, take it back. Try one hop. You're harder to train than a seal line. 1 hop, 2 hops,